Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone.
So,
Okay, so we are from group 9 and we will discuss about the personalized language learning through AI, adapting to individual needs. So, in this presentation, the members is Siti Octaviani Nurhabibah and also Yanti Nurhasanah and Yasmin Nur Sadili. And first of all, and the first part is introduction and beneficence of personalized learning. So, personalized learning refers to an educational approach where the learning process is tailored to meet the unique needs, preference, strength, and challenge of each individual student. Unlike traditional classroom setting, where all students follow the same curriculum and pace, and personalized learning adapt to the specific requirement of each learner. And personalized learning through AI. So the personalized learning through AI is an approach where AI adapt learning to each student needs. It's providing material that match their weakness and strength, and it makes the learning process more effective and personalized compared to traditional methods that apply the same approach to everyone. And AI also enable large-scale individualized attention, helping students from various backgrounds, especially in large classrooms or areas with limited access to education. So that is for the introduction of definition, personalized learning, and also about personalized learning through AI. And the next presenter will be delivered by Yanti Nurhasanah.
okay, I will deliver material about how AI works in Linguist or Newton. Linguist personalized language learning with AI. The first one is AI-powered personalization. Starts with assessing the user language level and adjust content dynamically based on progress. It means both Linguist and Newton use something called data collection. Every time you answer a question in the apps, the AI records your answer, how long you took to answer, and whether you got it right or wrong. The second one is smart algorithm. Utilize spaced repetition to enhance vocabulary retention and delivers word at optimal times for long-term memory. It means if you keep getting certain words wrong, the app will take note of that. The next time you study, it will show you those words more often so that you can practice them more. And the last one is customization for learners. The first one is custom that's tailored to personal or professional interests and promotes quick, meaningful progress with daily manageable session. It's mean linguists focus on helping you improve your vocabulary by repeating the words you need to work on. And next slide is Newton Adaptive Learning Technology. The first one is real-time adaptation. For real-time adaptation is continuously assess learner performance and adjust content to focus on area needing improvement. It means Newton tracks your progress over time. If a student improve in one area, such as reading comprehension, so the AI will shift focus to a new area that needs improvement like writing skills. And then the second one is AI-driven efficiency. It helps learners stay motivated and make consistent progress through data analytics and behavior insight. It means teachers can see exactly where each student is excelling and where they need extra help. And the third one is personalized learning paths. It means AI customized learning to suit individual skills level, pacing, and style, and originally applied to various subjects, including language learning. Newton creates a broader study plan that adapts to your overall progress. So that's all from me. The next material will be delivered by Yasmin.
Okay, next point is key features of living list and Newton. Let's now explore some of the key features that make living list and Newton so effective for personalized learning. I'll break down what makes this app unique and how they can be applied to language learning, especially in Indonesia. First, in living list, one of the main features it is adaptive flashcard. Flashcards have always been a popular tool of learning language because they help you memorize new vocabulary. However, what makes living list flashcard different is that uh, they are addictive. This is mean the app change the frequency of the flashcard depending on how well you know the words. If you keep making mistake on a word, the app will show to you more often. If you already know a word well, the app will stop showing its frequency. This is a simple but powerful feature because it helps students focus on what they need to improve instead of wasting time on things they already know. Let's think about how this is work. Content of typically English in classroom in Indonesia. Many students struggle with vocabulary because they don't have enough opportunities to practice outside of school. With living list, they can use adaptive flashcard to focus the word that they struggle with. For example, if student in Indonesia is learning English and find that they often forget the differences between borrow and lend, living list will prioritize showing those words more often until the student has mastered them. This makes studying more efficient and target. In Newton, one of the standout features is personalized learning plan. Newtons doesn't just give you random exercise, it creates a full study plan based on your strength and weakness. For example, if student is good at reading comprehension but has difficult with grammar, Newton will give more grammar exercise to help improve in that area. This is especially useful for Indonesian students who may not have access to a private tutor. Newton act like a virtual tutor and guiding them through the learning process and make sure that improve provide real-time feedback to both students and teachers. For teachers in Indonesia, especially those handling large class, these features can save a lot of time instead of grading every exercise manually, and the AI does it for them and provide insight into the student performance. This is allow the teachers to focus more on giving personalized support to students who need it. Just that for me. Next.
Okay, so in conclusion, all power tools like Living Fish and Newton offer a significant advantage in personalized language learning by adapting lessons to the specific needs of each student. Thus, in Indonesia, where teachers may struggle to provide individual attention, while AI enhances learning efficiency and help bridge the educational research gap. It cannot fully replace the human element of language learning, especially when it comes to real-world communication and cultural context. Okay, that's all.
Okay,
Back
so
to the
that's all about our material today. We are from group 9. And the next we have or we will deliver about the demo. Okay, so today we will discuss one of the artificial intelligence application that is often used in language learning, namely Google Translate. And we will provide the brief review of the Google Translate apps and how to use it and how this tool can help in language learning. And we will also show real results from using this app and explain its benefit from language learners. So next to Akmal.
wait a minute, yo. Okay, review of the AI application. Overview of the Google Translate. Google Translate is an all-based translation tool that allows user to translate text, sentence, or document into multiple languages instantly. Its main features include text translation, automatic language detection, voice input, and image translation via camera. This tool is very popular with over 500 million active users per day and support over 100 languages worldwide. Relevance to language learning, Google Translate is relevant for language learner because it allows them to understand text in the language they are learning, help correct translation, and practice vocabulary skill directly. This tool is also often used in self-study and in the classroom.
Okay, thank you, Akmal. So next is Yasmin.
Okay, how to use Google Translate. We'll share our screen and show you this step live so you can see how easy to use this app. First, we'll show you how to access Google Translate. You can find it at translate.google.com, https translate.google.com, or through the app on your phone. Okay, here are the brief steps of each example in the next. Okay, for the first is translation text. The first is open Google Translate, https translate.com, and then type text in the left column. For example, selamat pagi. Okay, select the large language in the right column. For example, good morning. Okay, and the last is the automatic select translation will appear in the right column. Okay, for voice input, first step, on the Google Translation page, click the microphone icon in the left column and say the word or sentence you want to translate. Okay, for example, good morning. Selamat pagi. Okay, and then Google will display the text you speak and translate automatically in the right column. And then image translation. Okay, open the Google Translate app on your phone and select the camera icon at the bottom of the screen. Okay. Google will detect and translate the text on your phone screen directly. And then for the last is document translate. On the Google Translate page, select the document option above the text field, and then click Browse Computer and upload the document file, or like Word or PDF you want to translate. And select the target language, then click Translate. Okay, the document will be translated and the result will be displayed on the screen. Okay, next.
Okay, next to Yanti.
So the product from using Google Translate is, as an example of the results, we have translate a paragraph from Indonesian to English using Google Translate. So the result is text that it is easy to read and quite accurate. Explanation of contribution of to language learningnya. By using Google Translate, students can quickly understand text in a foreign language, thus speeding up their learning process. This is very useful for improving vocabulary and reading skills. This tool also helps in understanding the context and meaning of new words.
Okay, and next to Akmal.
Okay, for now is benefits for language learner. The first one is instant accessibility. Google Translate provides instant translation for multiple languages, making it easy for learners to understand text in a foreign language anytime, anywhere. And the second is vocabulary enhancement. Learner can expand their vocabulary quick through translation and auto word detection feature. And next, multimodal support with voice input and image translation feature. Learner can practice their listening, speaking, and visual text comprehension skill. Next is personalized learning experience. And last, Google Translate provide a personalized learning experience, allowing learners to tailor their learning to their needs, such as choosing the language they want to master and getting quick translation without having to use a physical dictionary. Okay, thank you. That's all, Theo.
Okay, so next to Yanti.
Okay, for summary of all main points that we have already talked it's in conclusion, Google Translate is a very useful AI tool for a language learner, especially in improving text comprehension and vocabulary. This tool is easy to access, supports multiple language, and offers many features relevant to language learning. So we recommend using Google Translate as an additional tool for language learning. While not perfect, it can speed up the learning process and help in the context of understanding everyday text.
Okay, so
That's all.
okay, thank you so much to Yanti and also Yasmin and also Akmal. So that's all about our presentation about the material firstly. And the next is about the demo about the artificial intelligence, which is about Google Translate. So thank you so much for your attention and time in listening to our presentations. And we hope the information we have shared can be useful and provide new insight for everyone. And if there are any question or opinion you'd like to discuss further, we will be happy to answer them. And once again, thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.